Whiskey. It conjures images of roaring fires, leather armchairs, and a sense of refined indulgence, a moment of pure relaxation. But what if this image of luxury was used to mask a bitter truth, a truth that many are unaware of? What if the promise of liquid gold was nothing more than a sophisticated scam, a mirage in the desert of investments? Sadly, for many eager investors, this nightmare has become a reality, shattering their dreams of wealth. The world of whiskey cask investments has exploded in recent years, attracting attention from all corners. Driven by the allure of owning a piece of a booming market, the excitement is palpable. Individuals have poured millions into what they believe to be a secure and profitable asset, a golden opportunity. However, lurking beneath the surface of this seemingly lucrative industry lies a dark underbelly of deceit, a hidden danger, leaving countless investors financially devastated, their hopes dashed. This isn't about a few bad apples spoiling the barrel, it's a widespread issue. This is about a systemic issue that has plagued the industry, a rot that runs deep, leaving investors vulnerable to unscrupulous actors, preying on their trust. It's time to shine a light on the murky world of whiskey cask investment scams, to uncover the truth, and expose the tactics used to defraud unsuspecting individuals, bringing justice to those wronged. The concept of whiskey cask investment is deceptively simple, yet it holds a world of complexity beneath the surface. Investors purchase casks of whiskey, often at a young age, with the expectation that the value will appreciate significantly as the spirit matures over the years. It's a waiting game, but one that promises a handsome return as the whiskey develops its complex flavors and coveted rarity. The allure is undeniable, drawing in both seasoned investors and curious newcomers alike. Who wouldn't want to own a piece of liquid history, a cask of single malt slumbering away in a Scottish warehouse destined for greatness? The romanticism of it all is hard to resist. This romantic image, coupled with the promise of impressive returns, has proven irresistible to many, drawing them into a market that is often as opaque as a well-aged peated whiskey. The dream of owning a valuable aged spirit is a powerful motivator. Fraudulent companies capitalizing on this allure have flooded the market with promises of guaranteed returns and effortless wealth creation. They paint a picture of easy success. They prey on the uninitiated, using sophisticated marketing techniques and industry jargon to create an illusion of legitimacy and expertise. Their tactics are designed to deceive, but behind the glossy brochures and persuasive sales pitches lies a harsh reality. The world of whiskey cask investment is fraught with risks. Many of these companies operate with little to no oversight, leaving investors vulnerable to scams that can range from inflated pricing and non-existent casks to outright theft and misappropriation of funds. The dream can quickly turn into a nightmare for the unwary. The tactics employed by these fraudulent firms are as varied and complex as the flavors of whiskey itself, each with its own unique twist. One common strategy involves cold calling potential investors, using high-pressure sales tactics and promises of unrealistic returns to secure investments. These calls often come at inconvenient times, catching people off guard. These companies often disappear as quickly as they emerged, leaving investors with nothing but empty promises and hefty financial losses. The aftermath is a trail of broken dreams and shattered trust. Another deceitful practice involves selling casks at grossly inflated prices, making it seem like a rare opportunity. These unscrupulous actors exploit the lack of transparency in the market, making it difficult for investors to ascertain the true value of their investments. The complexity of the market data adds to the confusion. By the time investors realize they've been duped, it's often too late. The financial damage is done and recovery seems impossible. Perhaps the most egregious tactic involves selling non-existent casks, a scam that is as bold as it is devastating. These phantom investments exist only on paper, with investors receiving elaborate certificates and documentation for casks that simply don't exist. The illusion is meticulously crafted. This blatant fraud preys on the trust investors place in these companies, leaving them with nothing but worthless paper and a bitter aftertaste. The emotional toll is as significant as the financial loss. The case of Craig Arch and his company, Cask Whisky Limited, serves as a stark illustration of the devastating impact these scams can have. Arch, a seemingly charismatic figure in the whiskey investment world, orchestrated a multi-million-pound scheme that defrauded hundreds of investors, many of whom lost their life savings. Arch's modus operandi was a textbook example of deceitful practices. He lured investors with promises of guaranteed returns, using high-pressure sales tactics and misleading information to secure investments. He then proceeded to sell casks at exorbitant prices, pocketing the difference and leaving investors with assets worth a fraction of their initial investment. Arch's empire of deception eventually crumbled, and he was convicted of fraud, leaving a trail of financial ruin and shattered dreams in his wake. His case serves as a stark reminder of the very real human cost of these scams and the urgent need for greater protection for investors. Section 5. Industry outcry and the need for regulation. The fallout from these scams has sent shockwaves through the whiskey investment industry. Legitimate businesses, tarnished by the actions of a few bad actors, are grappling with the loss of trust and the need to restore confidence in the market. Industry leaders are now calling for greater regulation and transparency, recognizing that self-regulation has proven insufficient to protect investors from unscrupulous actors. The call for action is clear. A robust regulatory framework is needed to weed out fraudulent companies, establish clear industry standards, and protect investors from falling victim to these scams. The industry recognizes that its future hinges on regaining the trust of investors. A failure to address these issues will not only harm individual investors, but also tarnish the reputation of a centuries-old industry built on craftsmanship, heritage, and a love of fine spirits. Section 6. Digital deeds, a step toward transparency. One proposed solution gaining traction is the implementation of digital deeds for whiskey casks. This technology would provide a secure and transparent method for tracking ownership and verifying the authenticity of casks, making it significantly more difficult for fraudulent companies to operate. Digital deeds would create an immutable record of ownership, accessible to all parties involved in a transaction. This would eliminate the risk of forged or fraudulent certificates, ensuring that investors have a clear and verifiable record of their assets. Furthermore, digital deeds could facilitate easier trading and transfer of ownership, making the market more accessible and liquid for investors. This increased transparency and accountability would benefit both investors and legitimate businesses, fostering a more secure and trustworthy market. Section 7. The call for parliamentary intervention. While industry-led initiatives are crucial, many argue that true change can only come from parliamentary intervention. The call for government regulation of the whiskey cask investment market is growing louder, with many demanding legislation to protect investors and ensure the long-term health of the industry. Parliamentary intervention could take many forms, from establishing a dedicated regulatory body to oversee the market to implementing stricter licensing requirements for companies operating in the sector. Legislation could also mandate the use of digital deeds, ensuring a standardized and transparent system for tracking cask ownership. The message to lawmakers is clear. Inaction is not an option. The time for debate is over. Concrete action is needed to protect investors, safeguard the integrity of the whiskey industry, and ensure that the dream of owning a piece of liquid gold doesn't turn into a financial nightmare. Section 8. Protecting investors, preserving legacy. The issue of whiskey cask investment scams is not just about financial losses, it's about protecting the legacy of a cherished industry. For centuries, whiskey production has been a source of pride and economic prosperity, steeped in tradition and craftsmanship. Allowing fraudulent actors to operate unchecked not only harms individual investors, but also threatens the reputation and integrity of the entire industry. It undermines the hard work of countless individuals who dedicate their lives to producing a spirit that is enjoyed and celebrated around the world. The fight against these scams is about more than just money. It's about preserving the heritage, craftsmanship, and trust that underpin this beloved industry. It's about ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy the fruits of this time-honored tradition without the shadow of deceit and fraud. Section 9. A toast to a secure future. The world of whiskey cask investment has the potential to be a lucrative and rewarding one, offering individuals a unique opportunity to own a piece of liquid history. However, this potential can only be realized if the industry confronts the issue of scams head-on. Through a combination of industry-led initiatives, such as the adoption of digital deeds and decisive parliamentary action, the future of whiskey cask investment can be secured. By working together, stakeholders can create a transparent, trustworthy, and well-regulated market that benefits both investors and the industry as a whole. Let's raise a glass to a future where the dream of owning a cask of whiskey is no longer tainted by the fear of scams but is instead a cause for celebration, shared by a community built on trust, transparency, and a shared passion for this exceptional spirit.